Hi everyone. And welcome back to our channel. What if you start your day with a national drink full of nutrients and active substances that will take care of your energy and health during the day? Avocado is grown today not only in Central and South America, but also in Indonesia or India. This fruit can be considered one of the best anti-stress foods, that contain essential nutrients, such as pantothenic acid, magnesium, vitamin C and vitamin B. All these nutrients help the adrenal glands, which manage the secretion of cortisol, the major hormone of our stress. Avocado is one of the healthiest foods to include in any diet. Its properties make it ideal for improving cardiovascular health by blocking the action of free radicals and is even recommended for weight loss cures. There is nothing better to start the day than avocado. It is an energizer for the body and a significant amount of protein to improve physical performance. It is rich in proteins, healthy monounsaturated fat, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron and vitamins A, C, E, K, B1, B2, B3 and B6. Avocado is consumed freshly in salads, sandwiches, guacamole or shakes. Coconut is well known for its health benefits, delicious taste and the changes it can make for our skin and hair. It is already proven that coconut milk is healthy for the heart. Coconut milk consumption regulates the blood pressure and lowers the cholesterol level. Due to the considerable number of vitamins C it contains, coconut milk fights bacteria and helps strengthen the immune system. Coconut milk contains antibacterial and anti-ulcer properties that fight against bacteria. The kiwi contains vitamins B9, C, E, K, beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, magnesium, copper, phosphorus, potassium, fiber and flavonoids. With these ingredients you can prepare a natural morning drink that will provide you the energy and nutrients you need for the day. To prepare this drink you need 1 ripe avocado, 1 kiwi or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of ice, vanilla and 1 tablespoon of sweetener up to your choice. You can use maple syrup, agave or stevia. Scoop the flesh out of the avocado and put in a blender. Add the milk, sweetener and ice. Blend well. Serve with plenty of chocolate sprinkles, nuts or any topping you like. Hoping you like the information provided by me, I thank you for your attention. Do not forget to like and share this video, also to subscribe our channel for more information. Our channel is a video channel. Educational information offered come from documentation and personal experience, so before beginning an alternative cure, you must inform your doctor, because he knows your medical history, prescriptions, drugs that you follow and your reactions allergic to various substances or food. I wish you a wonderful time, wherever you are.